Imagine a factory that never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and builds a future while you dream. What you're about to see isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Welcome to the robot factory of tomorrow. In the next 15 minutes, you'll witness how artificial intelligence, precision robotics, and human innovation are creating factories that seem almost alive. But here's the question: what does this mean for our future? Today, we're taking you inside the most advanced robot factories on Earth. From the moment raw materials enter through those massive gates to the second a finished product rolls out, every movement is choreographed by machines that think, learn, and adapt. You'll see how robots communicate with each other, how AI makes split-second decisions, and why this technology isn't replacing humans. It's empowering them. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll understand why this revolution changes everything. Before we step inside, if you're fascinated by future technology and want to see more innovations like this, hit that subscribe button. We explore the most incredible factories and technologies every week. Now, let's enter the future. The journey begins here, at the entrance of a factory that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Notice those sensors? They're not just for security. Every truck, every delivery, every component is tracked by artificial intelligence before it even enters the building. Watch these autonomous vehicles. They know exactly where to go, what to carry, and when to deliver. No human driver needed. They communicate with the factory's central brain, avoiding collisions and optimizing every route in real time. Raw materials arrive here in massive quantities. Traditional factories needed dozens of workers to sort and organize. But look at this. Robots with computer vision can identify, sort, and position thousands of components per hour with zero errors. This is where the magic happens. What you're seeing is a symphony of automation. Hundreds of robots, each with a specific job, working in perfect harmony. But here's what's incredible. They're all learning from each other. These are called collaborative robots, or cobots. Unlike the massive industrial arms of the past, these machines are designed to work safely beside humans. They sense our presence, slow down when we're near, and even hand us tools like a trusted colleague. Let's follow a product from birth to completion. It starts here at the frame construction station. Robotic arms lift, position, and weld components with accuracy measured in microns. That's thinner than human hair. Watch this welding process. The robot sensors detect the metal's temperature, adjust the welding speed automatically, and create joints stronger than anything human hands could produce. And it does this thousands of times a day, every weld identical to the last. Are you starting to see why this is revolutionary? Drop a comment below telling me which part of this factory amazes you most. Now watch what happens next, because this is where things get really interesting. At this station, tiny electronic components, some smaller than a grain of rice, are being installed. Human fingers would struggle with this level of precision. These robots, they can place 50 components per minute without a single mistake. See those cameras? They're not just watching, they're analyzing. Every component is photographed from multiple angles. The AI checks for defects, measures dimensions, and compares everything against the perfect digital blueprint. Here's where it gets fascinating. If the AI detects even the slightest variation, it tells the robots to adjust in real time. The machine isn't just following a program. It's thinking, adapting, making decisions like a skilled craftsman. The product flows through the factory like water through a stream. No waiting, no delays, no human error. Each robot completes its task and passes the product to the next station with millisecond timing. The painting process used to be dangerous for humans. Toxic fumes, repetitive motion injuries. Now, robots do it better. They apply coating with perfect uniformity, can change colors instantly, and recycle 95% of excess paint. Efficient and environmentally friendly. While humans would have to wait and monitor temperatures manually, these ovens communicate with a production line. They know exactly when a product enters, adjust temperature automatically, and signal the next robot when it's ready. We're halfway through this incredible journey. If you're enjoying this deep dive into future technology, smash that like button. It helps more people discover these amazing innovations. Let's continue with the most crucial part, quality control. This is where perfection is guaranteed. In traditional factories, Human inspectors might catch 95% of defects. In robot factories, we're talking 99.99% accuracy. Let me show you how. These cameras capture 500 images per second. The AI analyzes every pixel, detecting cracks invisible to human eyes, color variations of less than 1%, and dimensional errors measured in micrometers. Nothing escapes its attention. But surface inspection isn't enough. Products pass through X-ray and ultrasonic stations that see inside them. The AI checks internal welds, electronic connections, and structural integrity without breaking anything open. Watch this. Products are subjected to extreme conditions: temperature changes, pressure tests, vibration analysis. The robots simulate years of wear and tear in just minutes, ensuring only the strongest products reach customers. Now, let's talk about the brain behind all this. This isn't just programming. This is artificial intelligence that learns and improves every single day. The central AI monitors every robot, every sensor, every movement across the entire factory simultaneously. Here's something remarkable. The AI doesn't wait for machines to break down. It predicts failures before they happen. It notices tiny changes in vibration patterns, temperature fluctuations, or performance drops, and schedules maintenance automatically. Every day, the factory gets smarter. The AI analyzes millions of data points, finds patterns, and optimizes processes. A task that took 60 seconds last month might take 58 seconds today, then 56 seconds next week. Constant improvement, no human intervention needed. Thousands of sensors create a nervous system for the factory. Temperature, humidity, air quality, vibration, pressure. Everything is monitored. If anything deviates from optimal conditions, the system responds instantly. This is a digital twin, a virtual copy of the entire factory existing in the computer. Engineers can test changes in the digital world before implementing them in reality. It's like having a practice universe where mistakes cost nothing. With all this connectivity comes responsibility. Military-grade encryption protects every byte of data. The AI monitors for cyber threats 24/7, learning to recognize new attack patterns before human security experts even notice them. Now for the question everyone asks, what about the humans? Are robots taking all the jobs? The answer might surprise you. Let me show you what's really happening. These aren't factory workers being replaced. They're being elevated. Instead of repetitive physical tasks, humans now program robots, solve complex problems, and make strategic decisions. The work is safer, more mentally engaging, and better paid. Robot factories created entirely new careers: AI trainers, automation specialists, robotics maintenance experts, data analysts, and human-robot collaboration coordinators. These jobs didn't exist 20 years ago. Today, they're in high demand. Let's talk about safety. Traditional manufacturing had injury rates that were frankly unacceptable. Robotic factories have reduced workplace injuries by over 80%. Robots handle dangerous tasks, heavy lifting, toxic materials, extreme temperatures. Humans stay safe. What do you think? Is automation a threat or an opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Now, let's explore what happens when humans and robots truly collaborate. When a complex problem arises, humans and AI work together. The AI processes millions of data points and suggests solutions. Humans apply creativity, ethics, and experience to make the final decision. It's the best of both worlds. These workers aren't just hired, they're continuously educated. Virtual reality simulations let them practice on expensive equipment without risk. The factory invests in their growth because skilled humans make the automation more valuable, not less. Here's what robots can't do. They can't imagine new products, understand customer emotions, or create breakthrough innovations. That's human territory. The factory executes human ideas with robotic precision. It's partnership, not replacement. We're nearing the end of the production journey. Final assembly brings everything together. Each product is given a unique digital identity, a birth certificate, if you will. Every component, every test result, every robot that touched it, all recorded permanently. Packaging has become an art form. Robots measure each product precisely and create custom-fitted boxes, eliminating waste. They print shipping labels, insert documentation, and prepare product for delivery, all in seconds. The finished products enter an automated warehouse where robots and drones work in 3 dimensions. No aisles for humans to walk through, just pure efficiency. The AI knows the location of every single item at every moment. So what does all this mean for our future? The factories we've seen today are just the beginning. What's coming next will transform not just how we make things, but how we live. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine ordering a product designed specifically for you. In tomorrow's robot factories, mass customization becomes reality. Each product on the line can be completely different from the one before it, made just for you at mass production prices. These factories are incredibly green. AI optimizes energy usage minute by minute. Robots waste less material. Predictive maintenance prevents pollution from equipment failures. Some robot factories now run on 100% renewable energy and produce zero waste. Here's something unexpected. Robot factories might bring manufacturing back to local communities. When labor costs matter less, factories can be built near customers, reducing shipping, creating local jobs, and responding faster to regional needs. In medicine, robot factories are already producing life-saving drugs with unprecedented purity and precision. Future factories might create personalized medicines tailored to your DNA, manufactured on demand when you need them. Looking further ahead, robot factories might build humanity's future beyond Earth. Imagine autonomous factories on the moon, using local materials to construct habitats, equipment, and spacecraft. No human workers needed in the vacuum of space. What we've witnessed today isn't just about robots and efficiency. It's about human ambition made real. For thousands of years, we've dreamed of creating helpers that could free us from dangerous, repetitive work. That future is now. The factories of tomorrow don't replace human value. They amplify it. They let us focus on creativity, problem solving, and innovation while machines handle the precision and repetition. Together, humans and robots are building a future of abundance. The revolution is here, and it's just beginning. If this journey inspired you, share this video with someone who needs to see the future. Subscribe for more incredible technology explorations. And remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build one innovation at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.